Ay, Robert, pasagot naman ito, oh.
Ano ba yan? Oh, average question. Pero, medyo kakaiba to. Paano pa approach? Average, di ba? Add natin yung tatlong numbers, tapos divide natin sila by 3 equal to the average, di ba? Pwede naman. But another way of looking at it, dapat sana pumasok agad sa isip natin is the relationship of average and the sum. If you know that the average of the three numbers is n, another way of looking at this, that what is the sum of the three numbers? Then, we can say that the sum will be 3 times
The
average.
average.
Or
3n.
3n. Ano yung tatlong numbers na yun? Yung una is 4n.
4n.
Pangalawa is 2
2n
times n minus
minus
1.
1.
So basically, add mo sila. Pwede lagyan mo ng x kung gusto mo may variable. So this is your 2n minus 2. So 4n plus 2n, that's now 6n minus 2. Etong sum, mabawasan natin ito. So that means 3n minus 6n minus 2, which gives us 3n minus 6n plus
2.
or simply negative 3n plus 2. Or 2 minus 3n, depende kung ano nakalagay. Ang answer natin dito si letter B. You really need to be experienced enough. When you see the question, you already know what to do. That's your goal in your preparation. Okay? Yun lang.
Yes, kakayanin ko na yung UFCAT.